Hi, my name is Archie. I am a rising junior at the Trevor Day School. This is my first year at Blue Stamp, and for my starter project, I made a Simon Says game. It's a pretty standard Simon Says game, like the one you get at Hasbro. Follow the pattern the computer asks you to. At the bottom, you can see an on and off switch for the power, as well as a switch for the sound if you want to play without sound. When making this, I mostly soldered on a majority of the pieces, such as the battery pack holders. I soldered them on the back, and having them connect is a big part of it because it didn't really supply power at first. I soldered the resistor and then the capacitors and the microcontroller, and had them all really connected to the game because they're crucial parts in the code and regulating the currents flow and everything. As well, the buzzer I had to add because I had to add like sound and such to make the game more fun. The pad itself with the buttons and the colors were actually not soldered on; they were screwed on with the belts, with the Betzel and the standoff. Basically, so they're kind of these little white columns at the bottom. You can like unscrew them, and that kind of made it a lot easier to like access the button panel and stuff underneath it. I think that covers just about everything on the board. Essentially, I ran into a couple of problems. In making it, the blue button didn't turn on initially, and I think that's because I didn't quite solder on the battery pack holder like too efficiently at the start. The green button kind of like flashes on sometimes and kind of screws up the game, but I don't know, it's happened less and less recently, so I think that's pretty good. Like I said before, I attached a majority of the stuff with solder, and learning how to solder stuff will help me a lot more in my final project.